Good morning. Good morning. Today we're checking in on this Sunday for the XRP and Sigma coin. So, all right, for a 3-day is about a day and a half in, still moving towards the 50-yard line for the top indicator, still above down here, and separation of green against the white, which is what we want to see. Separations of green can be kind of in this area, and then all of a sudden, bam, pops up. So you can see we can have a good spike to the upside that can manifest here pretty quick. So we'll be watching for that. Zooming in on the shorter time frames, I decided to throw some moving averages on here for you. And you can see that we've actually now seen the 50 and 21-day moving average get moved above for once. So this is something we haven't seen in a while. When we zoom out, you can see that we've been trapped underneath the 21-day moving average since, since all the way back here in October. So the 21-day moving average has been resistance this entire time, but I thought it was good just today to look to see, and we've actually broken above the 21-day moving average, back tested into this region, and now we're fighting, and you can see the 8-day along with the 50 and 21 are now starting to move to the upside. So if we can reclaim the 8 and even this 100, we should be in great shape, and then we can start working on reclaiming this 200-day moving average that has what we've moved below. Larger 200-week moving average still well below us as support, and I think we even have the 50-week moving average on here somewhere, but I can't see it. So, oh, there it is, right here. So the 50-week moving average is right here at this level. So this is a pretty likely rejection area right here at VWAP. So I expect a breakout, and then we have to go back down and back test that region for that moving average. So at 240. So still leaning towards getting up to this 200 to 256 to 66 region. But basically at this point, we're starting to see the shorter moving averages move to the upside. So bullish. And then next we jump over to Sigma. Sigma here on the 12-hour, pretty impressive actually. We've fully reset our stochastic RSI. We've moved out past this range, which I identified here with this white line, right? And now we're back testing that range with a potential breakout pattern forming here for the Sigma coin. So I'm going to say we are getting close, guys. I mean, we've had many fake outs with corrective, fast moves to the upside, full drawdowns here, but ultimately we're going to be looking at Sigma, hopefully clearing some additional levels here to the upside. So great news. So Sigma's looking good, great support on that level, potential bull flag forming, getting ready to break out, and that's very bullish. And then we jump over to the XRP price action, and we can see that on the short time frames, we're now above the 50 and 21, which have been resistance for this price action for months. Now we're above them. So really it'd be great to form a base and work our way out of here so we can actually start moving these moving averages as supporting methods rather than resistance. So fighting the 8-day moving average right now. Would like to see it get above it. But right now, that's kind of our current boss battle is that 8-day moving average. And then finally, overall, still got the momentum, still green, still ready to move forward. And I currently am not thinking that this is a fake out, but we'll know within basically the next 24, 36-ish hours or so. We should have this candle print, and we'll move on to the next one, and we'll pass through that 50-yard line. That will be the big key, because in the 50-yard line passing, you could see the indicator flips, and that's where the price action runs right here, right? So, and then even right here. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the 50-yard clearing, and then we can start moving to the upside and get out of here. So, all right, we will check in tomorrow, and thanks so much for watching.